Hi, Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants, and we're here with Brandon. Today is his day of surgery. We were ready to draw on the hairline, and he gave us a huge smile when we drew it. So we're super excited for his surgery. Tell us a little bit, Brandon, about your hair loss and how it's affected you.
Well, I started losing my hair when I was about 22 years old. First it was just thinning out, and I thought like maybe I need to use a bit more oils or things like that. I didn't really think I was going bald. But once I started getting older, I started seeing my hair actually fall out. So about 23, 24, it was just getting thinner and thinner. So I started using like Beijing's, different hairsprays to cover it up and make it look darker and make it look more full. But then around about 25, I started seeing my hairline and started going back, and then that's when I knew I was in trouble. So I'm here now. I'm just trying to get my hair back, the density, and I want my hairline back.
Awesome. So he's done his research. He's gone to a few places and picked natural transplants. You were talking about how when people first meet you, they're not exactly looking you in the eye. How has that been for you?
Yeah, that's the worst part about the whole thing of going bald. Like when people talk to me, they barely look me in my eye. They're always looking at the top of my head, looking at the bald spots, and that really messes up my self-esteem. It really causes a lot of stress too, because I just feel like I'm young. I'm 26 right now, and it just makes me feel like an old man. And then there's a lot of different things I want to do with my hair that I'm not able to do. So I'm here right now, and I'm just trying to make the best out of this.
Well, today is the start of your journey towards getting your hair back and your self-esteem and all that goes into it. So we're all super excited for you, and we'll be following you throughout the day.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
So we're here with Brandon, and Brandon at this point in the surgery has had his anesthesia, his strip has been removed, and he's all sewed up. And now we're just here with Dr. Rose setting up the second part of the surgery. Brandon, how was your day going so far?
It's pretty good, no pain at all.
Yeah.
It was just perfect.
What have you been doing, man?
I pretty much fell asleep.
Fell asleep, yep. So fell asleep, and we're watching some TV. His friends are here. So anyway, Brandon, thanks again for showing us. And next part, we'll be doing the little sights on his head, so we'll be checking a little later.
All right, thank you.
Cool.
So we're here with Brandon. He's finished with the surgery, and we're following up today. How did it go for you?
It was pretty good. Everything was perfect, no pain. I pretty much went to sleep throughout the procedure. Had a great lunch, and everything was expected. After the procedure, it's just a little pain, nothing major, nothing no one be able to deal with. So it's pretty good.
So we're looking forward to seeing your results. Already looking good, and we can't wait to follow up with you over the course of the next year when we'll get the final results, and we'll keep everybody posted.
Thank you very much.
Hope you have a good night, okay?
You too, thank you.
All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.